Hey YouTube, it's Des and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, please stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. So this whole video is basically going to be about me getting ready for my trip. I'm going somewhere that I haven't been in a very long time, with I think it's 7 or 8 of us, and we are about to have the time of our lives because we outside and it's going to be really nice weather where we're going. It is Tuesday. I had to get my hair done extra early because the girl that does my braids, she's going out of town and I really like how she do my braids, so I decided just to get it done a little early. So that's where I'm headed right now to get my hair braided, but I don't leave for my trip until Friday. So yeah, so I'm gonna get my braids done, and this is the first thing I'm gonna get done. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me, but first stop, I gotta get a car wash because my car is filthy. So let's go. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, my hair is done and the braids are definitely giving, okay? It's a new morning, guys. I have to rush to go get my nails and feet done because I actually have to get some more work done on my car. Super annoying. So yeah, so I can't really give you the full look of what my braids look like, but they're long and pretty and they have line in them, and you know, I'm ready to hit these streets, period. Yeah, so I'm gonna get like a baby pink, like a soft pink on my nails and on my feet. I was gonna actually get my nails done, but I think I'm just gonna get gel like I always get because I'm rushing as usual. I really don't have time. But first, I'm gonna try this restaurant that I have been wanting to. In 1 mile. Turn left. Yeah, I got my GPS on. So I'm gonna try this restaurant that I've been wanting to try for breakfast, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me so that we can get our feet and nails done. So let's.
Chevy drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when cap up on the side, cause I told them not to put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught.
Okay, y'all, so I just got my, as you guys can see, I just got my feet and nails done, and the same exact thing that happened to me the last time just happened to me again. Now, mind y'all, like, now I'm just, like, convinced it's this place because I rant and rave about how good their service is, which, granted, their service is really good. But every single time I get my nails and my feet done, like my nails, you know, fine. My feet, I don't get gel on my feet because I don't like gel on my feet because I don't like the whole process of getting it off. But I do get it on my nails. I got my nails, but on my feet, like they always, by the time I get in the car, they're like, oh, they're dry. I sat for literally like almost 30 minutes, like no lie. And look at my toe. Like, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Like, why? And I was gonna like go back in there. I had already came out to my car because I had paid for my services, and then I realized like on their receipt, like it was no place to put a tip, so I had to come back to the car, use some of Jayo's little money that she had in here to give him a tip. And when I came back out, I looked down at my feet, and lo and behold, half of the gel is off of it. Now you guys know that I do know how to do gel myself. Well, the polish. It's not gel, but the polish. But it's the same polish I have on here, but just, you know, same color. You guys do know that I do have gel at home. so I could like fix it. But the whole point is, like, the pink that I have, I don't know if it's like this exact same pink. And if it's not the exact same pink, what I'm going to have to do is change both of my big toes. And I don't really want to do that because I just pay all this money to get these feet and these nails done. So why am I doing anything? That was the whole point of me coming to you, so that I wouldn't have to do, y'all. Okay, so I decided to go get my nails and stuff done before I came here to get something to eat. I'm here to get something to eat. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. I'm just going to enjoy this because after this, I have to drive all the way over to see about my car. I'm just going to see if my husband can take it tomorrow or go pick it up tomorrow, whatever the case may be. Because I'm not going to be able to leave it today. I had too much to do. I have to get to my store. I have to pick Jael up from school. It's just not going to work. I need my car. So, yeah, while I'm gone, I'm just going to see if he can take it, pick it up, and all of that. And, yeah, I got my little paperwork just in case I get pulled over. I already got pulled over before. I had to go to court for this, so I'm not trying to do this again. But they told me exactly what I needed. So the guy that fixed it originally, I'm going to see if he can do it first. I wait on him to call me back right quick. And then if he can't, I'm just going to make an appointment to drop it off tomorrow or either leave it up there tonight, which I kind of don't want to leave my car up there because it is in the hood, the location where I got my emissions test at, where they said they would do it. But they told me that they would do it for $250, which is very expensive. But the Chrysler dealership said that they were going to charge $500, so of course I'm going to go with them. And then the emissions test is like connected to their shop, so I know I'll be able to pass the emissions test. So it's kind of like hand in hand. So yeah, let me go on in here into Huskers. That's it over there. Let me see if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? Wait, no, I think there we go. There go Huskers. So I'm about to go in here and give me some breakfast. And if any more of these toes get messed up, like besides this one big one, I'm going to be so upset because I really just only want to have to fix that one. And I'm just going to find a pink, the closest pink to it, and kind of just fix it a little bit. So yeah, let me put on my little fuzzies. And going on in here, and I will show y'all my food and what I get in a minute.